All right.
This is the right tire. It's actually a C-rated tire. It's a heavier duty. You have regular 4-ply tires everywhere else on this van. They're not rated for this much weight.
Oh wow.
Good to know.
Good to know. Do you have anything to say, my chip leaders?
Nothing to say. I'm glad we're at the tire show so they can do it for us. Oh, wait, I have something to say. Just a recommendation for the future. It turned out we didn't have all the tools to change the tire by ourselves. So maybe making sure the van has all the tools to change the tire for the future.
That's a good recommendation. Alrighty. Oh, and we don't have the wheel.
Are you feeling?
Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling. Do you have... Hi.
Feel great.
You feel great.
Adventure.
Alrighty. Hi.
Okay, so we need to use
We're gonna have to put your spare on, and I don't have a tire this size to sell you, so you're gonna have to get a spare somewhere down the road.
Okay.
sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know, but you can definitely hear the sound. Yep, you can feel it right here.
Yeah, and you can actually see the bulge right there. See, it should be as deep as that is, or here.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
See how
wow.
skinny that?
Kind of coming out.
That's
Wow.
because the steel belts have been broken and it's opening up. It's not repaired.
Okay.
So the next plan is we got to get inside and find the toolkit and what it takes to get that spare out.
Yeah, that's what we were trying to the gas station, but then we couldn't find it was a wrench or something. But yeah, if you have any tools, we can try to get inside. The spare is, I think, underneath.
Yeah, well, there's got to be a toolkit, otherwise you can't get it out.
Yeah, we couldn't find it. Oh, the vehicle jack is under the passenger seat. Is that what we've been looking for?
What?
Wait, are we looking for a jack?
No, we're looking for the key that fits in that.
Oh, okay.
Show you anything?
A vehicle jack, jack storage,
Well, we've got it down. I just got to find a way to weave this
front
in.
jack, rear jack, wheel trim. Wheel trim removal tool? I have no idea. Wait, what?
Price on a set of tires.
Or is this like just stay together? Like let it hard.
Maybe I'll come back later. Every time I come over here, I catch me in the middle of doing something.
That was fun.